Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently on my personal account trading on Awanda on the trading view, and I thought I'd explain why I took this trade and basically the strategy I've been doing. So basically, like I said in my other videos, I always look for where prices come up and taking money from other people, and then I go up the time frames and work my way down. So for here, I saw where this had basically come above here and taken money from these people, and I can already tell like on the way down here, the price is kind of zigzagging and shooting down, zigzagging and shooting down. And that's like a signal to me that like price is moving downwards. So then once I've found a place on the chart where it's come above and taking money from people, I then go to the monthly time frame. And on the monthly time frame, I can see where this has come above here and taking money from these people, so we're heading downwards. So that's like with the 1 hour coming above here and that monthly, that's two confluences. Then go down to the weekly. And you can see, like I said, where this has come above and taking money from these people, a lot of money is now looking to go down. So that's like 1, 2, 3 confluences. So monthly, weekly, daily. And I can see on the daily where, again, this come above here. And yeah, like it took money from people. And then the 1 hour. And then, yeah, I basically do a 1 to 3 risk reward. But when the price comes down below here and it hits this level, I'll quickly make this white. Because it will, in my theory, when the price comes below here and hits this level, it could, because it's taking money from these people as well, it might bounce back up and then even stop me out. But I'm going to look to move my stop loss break even. But hopefully it might bounce here, then bounce up a bit and then continue to come down. Because something I'm trying to focus on now is like using bigger stop losses. Because normally where I put this trade, and this trade's been running for about 2 days, because I entered, I can't remember where I entered, but yeah. But normally I would set the stop loss like just above here or just above here, and it would stop me out. But I'm trying to learn to give my trades more room and let the market breathe to like slowly go down towards the direction. Because instead of what I'm trying to do now, I know obviously here that's like an obvious place to put a stop loss, but I'm trying not to just like put my stop loss above old highs and more so just in flow with the market where I think the market's going to flow to, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's the trade on the personal account. And what I'll do now, I'll flick through more pairs and see where else I would want to look to place a trade. So I just flick through and try and find another example. So like here, I can see instantly here, the price has come above and it's taken money from let's do that again. All these people's money here. This has come up and taken money from these people. It's then shot down, but then it's come back above here and taken money from these people. But then, so again, that's me looking to take a short. Then if I go to the monthly, I can see on the monthly, we've come above here, taking money from these people. The weekly, so now it's looking to go down, but it's coming up, taking more people. So monthly, weekly, daily. The daily's come up, taking money from these people. It's taking money from these people. But before I entered that trade, I would want to look for something like a more of a break like this. And then like that, and then enter in there, if that makes sense. Because the entries I do, I either enter the trade when the market breaks the pattern, that's where I enter, or where it comes above and takes money from people. But yeah, let me quickly go back to that trade. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this run hopefully and see where the market takes me. But yeah, that's basically the strategy. I know I'm only taking shorts at the moment because that's what I feel like I have the most success at. But yeah, that's my strategy. And just for another example, this is the trade. This is not a real trade. I just placed it with the trading view, like position thing. But this is the same like sort of thing I'm talking about. Like instantly when I'm on even the 4 hour time frame, I can see where this has come above here, taking all these people's money and is looking to come down, and then it's like stacked orders or whatever you want to call it, then coming down further. But again, on the hour time frame, I basically saw where this candle here had come above here and taken money from these people. So again, I then went to the monthly time frame, and like of course it's just like eyeballing up. I can see this came above here, taking money from these people. It's now coming down, and now it's following the flow of the market. Then the weekly, like all this is taking money from these people, looking to come down. the daily. This is kind of hitting money for these people looking to come down. Then the 4 hour, but obviously this is like these levels here are getting like close, so it has the possibility of just coming to these levels and then bouncing back up and stopping me out. But obviously this is where you would want to like move your stop loss to break even. But yeah, like trades like this where it comes above here or breaks here are the best ones because it's like further away from these levels with the possibility of it like bouncing back. But that's just another example of why I placed that trade.